Hey guys, this is Nicholas from Nexus Property Management Worcester. Just coming today to show you this new apartment that we have for rent right now. This is 29 Pierce Place in Clinton, Mass. And it is a 4-bedroom, 2-story apartment. Now, the biggest thing about this is how big it is. All the rooms are super huge, and you just get a lot of space. There's never a point in the house where you can even feel cramped at all. And right here is kind of the living room, so it has a nice unique shape to it. All the floors, well, most of the floors have been renovated to have this nice vinyl hardwood style flooring. But yeah, definitely in the living room you get a lot of light coming in. Can easily put a couple L-shaped couches as well as the entertainment system in here. And obviously you got the baseboard heating as well with the ceiling fan. So yeah, very nice looking living room. I'll try to turn around so I can give you a good idea of what this looks like. Definitely the hub to the other rooms. Speaking of rooms, we can go to the first one. Yeah, so a lot of space in here. It's kind of hard for me to even cover it all in the same camera. Definitely enough space for a king size bed, as well as your, couple dressers, a flat screen, really anything else that you can fit in here. And the baseboard heating is very efficient because it wraps around the room. And you got a closet right there, ceiling fan as well. So yeah, so that is the first bedroom. Come right here, that's a closet. Come right through here. This is the second bedroom. So first bedroom closes like that. Second bedroom has 2 entrances, but when you want it to be closed, just close that door and close this door. So this is the bedroom. Give you a good idea of the space in here. Not as big as the first unit, but if your needs are just a little bit less, as far as like huge items, this would be the room for that. And most of the rooms that you're gonna see have a ceiling fan as well. Then you come right through here and you see the kitchen / dining area. So you've got the fridge, stainless steel, also the stainless steel oven and the sink bin. And you can kind of see really nice contrast with the flooring in this room, definitely. And it's got everything you need. So as far as right there, a bunch of cabinet space, that could be kind of like a drawer, but it also gives like a nice vibe to the room, I feel. And you've got more kind of storage included in the unit. That carries on over to the pantry. So nice desk cabinets. You don't even really need to open them up before to check what's in there, because you can see it, it's see-through, and that's a really nice touch, I feel. Just makes things a little bit easier. And you got the pantry right there. Give you another angle of this kitchen. So living room on the left, second bedroom on the right. Stairs going up. That's a surprise, and we'll get to that in a second. But right now we're here at the bathroom. So nice full bathroom. Got the shower, tub, sink, toilet. Everything that you would expect and want in a bathroom is here. So you've got that fully present right there. This is a nice room because it has the washer and dryer hookups, as well as any other kind of, supplies or anything else that you might want to consider fitting in here. But you can get the dryer machine right here, and there's the washer hookups. And then this just goes out to here. Built-in storage in the wall. All these drawers and cabinets work and open, so you can fill up enough right there. This door is the common entrance to the side of the building, and it's under lock. So that's the entrance to the unit right there. And here are the steps going up. It's a 2-story apartment. See? The other 2 bedrooms are up here. You got this nice, because it does drop off onto the stairs, but you have a nice railing there for safety. Safety is always our priority whenever renting apartments out, so it's nice to see that. We're really happy to see that. Anyway, here's another bedroom. Sizing is between the one we saw downstairs, between the 2 we saw downstairs, because one of them was bigger, one of them was probably smaller than this, but definitely still enough space for the queen size bed and all that. And the heating is up here as well, along with the spacious closet. Yeah, so that is the closet right there. You come here in the hallway closet, and this goes to this unique room. Just really, really nice in here. I love bit. So you got the baseboard heating in the closet. And you can see outside right there. And boom. It's kind of like a hectagonal. So those are the 4 bedrooms. One more thing that I like to emphasize on the top floor is this room right here. So if you think, oh, you know, this place doesn't have enough storage for me, what about the stuff I want to put away? Well, all that's right here. So little attic space, and there's nobody above you. So it's only a 2-story building, and this is on the 2nd floor. So there's nobody above you. Just so you can take a look around. And we can head back out. We'll take one more look downstairs, just a quick little walk around. See, come right back into the kitchen, right there. So it's also nice, it's like a privacy thing, honestly, to be able to go up the stairs and have your own kind of world apart from the rest of the apartment. But anyways, this has been Nicholas from Nexus Property Management Worcester at 29 Pierce Place in Clinton, Massachusetts.